Smile across the room, then look away too soon, leaving little clues beneath the silver moon. I think I learned your ways, every move, every sign, but then you change the game and leave me lost in time.
You call just when I think you finally let me go. You know the words I need before I even know. We're walking on a wire stretch between truth and disguise, always trying to read between each other's eyes.
Will you stay? Will you run? Will you turn and disappear? Every moment with you keeps me guessing, my dear.
Like shadows in the light, we dance without a plan.
Still somehow, heart to heart,
we always understand.
no matter what you do,
I know I want you still,
even if I never know what move you'll make until you leave a note behind, then arrive before it's read. You speak in quiet riddles that keep spinning in my head.
I think I've seen the future every time you touch my hand, but loving you has taught me not to think I understand.
And maybe that's the magic that keeps us both alive, two restless souls discovering new reasons to survive.
No scripts and no rehearsals, no promises in stone, yet every road I travel somehow leads me home.
Will you laugh? Will you cry?
Will you change the stars tonight?
Every mystery you bring only
Pulls me in tighter, like waves upon the shore, forever coming through.
I spend my days wondering
What you'll do,
no matter where
you go, no matter where you've been, I'll keep on chasing all the secrets hidden in your grin.
maybe love was never meant to be completely known.
Maybe every heartbeat writes a story of its own.
So keep me guessing,
Keep me dreaming,
keep me reaching for your hand.
we'll write tomorrow's chapter,
Though neither of us,
understands.
and if the years
Go by and we're still playing this game.
I'll still be watching closely,
When you whisper my name,
because the wonder never fades.
it only grows with time.
Two hearts forever searching,
Forever intertwined.
no,
No, I don't need the answers,
I don't need to see the end.
just stay beside me. Mystery, my lover and my friend.
Keep me guessing, keep me near,
And I'll keep choosing you year after year.